Hello YouTube, this is Glock and Balls, and this is my tribute to Nut and Fancy, as well as Cutlery Lover and Aussie Mark, who I follow. As you can see, we have two butter knives here. One is very typical, show you the serrations. The other is very different. It's been sharpened by my belt sander. And I have about 6 belts. As you can see, there's a bunch of burrs there. The last step is the strop, and that's what I will show you. I can get a butter knife hair shaving sharp. Don't laugh at the pillow. The pillow is for the vibration for my neighbor below. The whole counter will shake if I don't use it. Let's see here. You can see it's the same butter knife. Shaving my hair. All that hair. Not bad for a butter knife.